Hello, everybody. This week's extra credit fun drawing assignment will be a Halloween themed drawing. If you are not allowed to celebrate Halloween, of course, you do not have to do this. It is just optional. All right, guys, this drawing is going to have a lot of parts, so stay with me. We're going to start with a pumpkin. So what I want you to do is find the middle of your paper. You're going to draw a curved line like this. That's going to be the top of the pumpkin. Now, from here, we're going to draw two curves coming down each side. So there's one, and on the other side, same thing, two. Across the bottom, we want this to be grass. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a bunch of little pointed shapes, and I'm going to extend that past the pumpkin on both sides. Okay? If you would like a face on your pumpkin, you can, or you could just leave them without a face. I'm going to make a face on mine. Like that. Don't forget the lines of your pumpkin. I make them broken, which means I stop, pick up my marker, and continue the line a little bit. And I'm very careful to do it around the face. This gives it more of a realistic pumpkin look, I think. We could probably do one more in the middle here, like that. I'm going to slide my paper down because I'm going to have a black cat coming out of the pumpkin. So for here, first I'm going to make its paws. And I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 bumps on this side. 1, 2, 3 bumps on this side. We're going to draw a circle for its head. Two triangles for the ears. The eyes, you can make your eyes however you want. I think I'm going to make mine sideways ovals. Some circles inside. I'm going to do a triangle nose, and I don't want to color it black because if I color the cat black, I'm never going to see that. And then we want to do a letter J here, backwards J here for the mouth. Now, you can make this cat nice. It can be a girl with eyelashes. It could be nice eyebrows, or I'm going to make mine mean. So I'm going to give it mean eyebrows because this is a Halloween picture. Okay? Now don't forget, behind the cat, we want to finish the pumpkin. So I'm going to do a curve here, imaginary line through his head, line here. All right? And you don't have to stop and color yours now, but I like to always remind you of how this makes it look 3D whenever you do this. Okay? Now for your background, you guys could do all kinds of different things. Look how much room we still have here in the background. So we can add more Halloween details, or just a sun, or maybe it's nighttime. I think I'm going to add a tree on the side. So I'm going to come here, and I'm going to come up, and I want you to see the top of the paper. I'm going to come all the way out because that's going to be a branch. Then from here, I'm going to make this get skinnier on the way up, and then take this back all the way. Now to make your tree look more like a tree, it's good to have the lines. So what I do is I'll make a line coming up like this, another line coming up like this, and maybe this one circles back down. Another line coming up, line here, and I'm going to squeeze one more in. There we go. So I have my tree on the side. All right? And you could do all kinds of other details. Maybe I'm going to do a ghost in the background. So I'm just going to draw a squiggly line, and he gets skinnier down here. Put a little face on him. Like that. Maybe up here in the corner we have a moon. You guys have seen me draw moons before. I like to do the clouds first. So I make kind of a pointed, spooky type of cloud like this. And then the moon is behind it. Like that. And you guys can add anything else you think of. So I know you can't see the entire picture in here because of the way the camera is. What if I do this? There you go. There it is. I'm going to color this, take a picture of it, and post it so you can see what it looks like when it's done. All right, guys, have fun.